Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nakshama. In today's video, I was telling you how you can download Windows 10, any Windows. Okay, for that, I'm having one application, one site, which name I'm not giving that name because I have to save me. And you have to only click here and it starts. And I'm okay.
Yeah?
I'm closing this. Okay, after that download, you get like this Android Windows. When you open, it gets one. Only you can also play games. I'm giving in defaults. You can able to see. I have deleted some because I don't like. Okay. How to change Windows? Okay, here is a system. You have to go to the system. Here is the styles. I'm taking XP style. You can able to see here XP styles came. You can easily to see, and I'm doing one more for you. Windows 10. It takes some time. Yeah, you can able to see here is a Windows 10. Here is that's games. Okay. Again, I'm going and I'm using more styles, and it goes online. Okay, I'm some that's noise is coming. Okay, for that I'm doing. And Windows 7 also window. You can clicking on yes. I'm again opening. Yeah, like this you can. Yes. Okay. How you can just a minute some problem, and how you can get in your thing. And here is a remote. Remove from desktop connection. Okay, it gets okay. Now how you can get back? Okay, what you have to do, simply you have a one button on your mobile. You have to close that window, close this Android window, and this types game. Okay, you have to, this is your choice to go again in Windows. Yeah, your choice to go again, go in your Android. I'm going in Android, and that you can able to see. Subscribe my channel, like my channel. I'm a tech timer and my name is Vinakshama. You may like it. Thank you.